To fix a blue tint on a Samsung TV screen, several possible solutions can be explored. Firstly, it is essential to check the condition and connection of all cables, including HDMI cables, to ensure they are in good condition and firmly plugged in. If a loose or faulty cable connection is suspected, trying each HDMI cable one at a time can help identify and isolate the problematic cable, which can then be replaced or repaired accordingly. Another potential cause is the picture settings, specifically if the color tone is set to cool, which can enhance the blue tint. Resetting the picture settings to their default values can often resolve the issue. This can be done by opening the Settings menu, selecting Picture, then Expert Settings, and finally choosing the Reset Picture or Reset Picture Mode option. Additionally, minor software glitches can sometimes cause a blue tint, and a soft reset may be effective in resolving this. To do this, simply unplug the TV from its power source for 60 seconds before plugging it back in. By trying these potential solutions, it may be possible to fix a blue tint on a Samsung TV screen.